Hey everyone, welcome to KD Creatives. Today we are going to explore the amazing invisible blanket surrounding our planet Earth, the atmosphere. The atmosphere refers to the layer of gases that surrounds the Earth. It consists mainly of nitrogen and oxygen along with small amount of other gases. Friends, the atmosphere provides vital protection, regulates temperature and supports weather and climate system. It helps us breathe and even creates the weather we experience every day. But this atmosphere isn't just one big piece of air. It actually has different layers, each with its own special characteristics. So friends, in this video, we are going to discuss the layers of the atmosphere. So let's get started. Friends, there are 5 layers of atmosphere. First one, troposphere. Second, stratosphere. Third, mesosphere. Fourth, thermosphere. And fifth, exosphere. In this video, we will discuss all these layers in details. Imagine the Earth wrapped in a cozy blanket, like the troposphere. The troposphere is the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere, extending from the Earth's surface up to an average altitude of about 12 kilometers. The hot air balloons and the airplanes fly within the troposphere because they provide the necessary conditions for safe and efficient air travel. This is the most important layer for life because it contains most of the air we breathe, including oxygen. Next, the second layer, stratosphere. The stratosphere is the layer of Earth's atmosphere located above the troposphere. It extends roughly from an altitude of about 12 kilometers to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface. This layer is super important because it contains the ozone layer. Ozone layer acts like a shield, absorbing harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun and protecting us from getting sunburn. The radio sounds can collect data and travel up to the lower part of the stratosphere. Next, the third layer, mesosphere. The mesosphere is the third layer of the Earth's atmosphere. It extends approximately from an altitude of about 50 kilometers to 85 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The temperature here drops rapidly as you go higher. The mesosphere is characterized by thin air and low atmospheric pressure. It is also the layer where meteors burn up upon entry into the Earth's atmosphere, creating the visual phenomenon known as shooting stars. Next, the fourth layer, thermosphere. The thermosphere is the fourth layer of Earth's atmosphere. It begins approximately at an altitude of 85 kilometers and has no clearly defined upper boundary. The thermosphere is primarily composed of individual gas molecules such as oxygen and nitrogen. The thermosphere is also where the auroras such as the northern lights and southern lights occur. Those colorful lights that dance in the sky near the poles. This layer is super important for communication because it reflects radio waves. And the final, exosphere. The exosphere is the outermost layer of Earth's atmosphere, located above the thermosphere. It is the uppermost region of the atmosphere. The exosphere is where satellites and other human-made objects in Earth's orbit are found. The satellites are strategically placed in orbit within the exosphere to perform their various functions. Here we completed the 5 layers. We have traveled through all the layers of the atmosphere, from our cozy troposphere to the edge of the space. Remember, the atmosphere plays a vital role in keeping our planet healthy and habitable. Let's take care of it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to KD Creatives. Bye bye.